Hi and welcome to this video tutorial on how to generate attendance reports using the Upshot system. All the information from this video can also be found in the accompanying user guide. To begin, go to the Reports drop-down menu via the main menu bar and select Attendance from the drop-down menu. Attendance reports allow you to have a view of information captured across as many of your sessions and projects as you may desire. Upshot allows you to use the attendance report to monitor not only who, but how often people turn up to sessions and much more. At any point, if you wish to revert the form back to its original state and deselect any options you have selected, simply click Reset Form. The first thing we must do is select at least one project we wish to base our report on. This is done by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting the project. It is worth noting that all required fields are indicated by a red asterisk. If you wish to remove a project at any time, simply click on the minus symbol to the left of its name. If you wish to deselect all projects, click on the word None. Should you wish to select every project, simply click All and they will be listed. For this example, we are going to select Impact Plus. It is worth noting that at this point, should we wish to run our project report, this would be possible. Here, we can choose an activity group or groups to report on. You can specify further which activity or activities you would like to have attendance information on by selecting from the Activity drop-down menu. Next, you can specify the type of attendee you wish to show in your report. Upshot gives you several options to choose from, whether that be a participant, instructor, coach, or even a parent. You can also select specific locations to show in your attendance report, or you can select all locations. Next, select the session status. You can make up to 4 selections. They are Completed Sessions Register. This refers to all completed sessions with a register submitted. Completed Sessions No Register. This is where a session is in the past but no register has been submitted for it. Future Sessions and Abandoned Sessions. You can choose specific dates to base your attendance reports on. This can be good to monitor attendance during specific times of the year, such as the summer holidays. You can use the calendar option to select specific dates. We will not specify any dates for this example. You must select one option from the Data to Display drop-down menu. This directly affects how the data is displayed in your report. The options are as follows. Attendance. This displays attendance by attendees. Paid, if an attendee has paid a fee. Amount paid. Volunteer level, a volunteer level given to the attendee by a registrar. Engagement level, an engagement level given to an attendee by a registrar. And notes, any notes made by a registrar about an attendee. Next, you can select if you wish to include the personal details of attendees in your report. This can be useful for producing reports to highlight demographic information such as age groups or ethnicity. Once you have selected all the options you wish to report on, click the Download button. This will produce a document you can open in Excel or other similar packages. Here we have an example of a spreadsheet with the downloaded information. It is important to highlight that this spreadsheet has been customized to display the data. However, the data has not been altered in any way, and we do not recommend doing so. Any changes made here will not be reflected within the Upshot system. Here we have the details of the report selection. This is very useful to anyone looking at the spreadsheet, so that it is apparent where the report information comes from. It is important to note how your individual report appears will be based on the selections you make and also the data you have. In this example, we have a number of attendees who have attended a specific activity as participants. Each activity is shown within a separate column. This symbol highlights an attendance, and this symbol highlights a non-attendance. Previously, we selected the option to include personal details. Therefore, an extensive range of details will be included in this report. However, it is worth noting that we have only included a few. This includes common details such as email, telephone number, and postcode, to even more sensitive data such as medical conditions. Upshot allows you to save the options you have selected in the form of a report template. This is very helpful should you wish to run the same report on a regular basis. The template can be accessed by clicking the link here. Simply click the link and the original option selected for the form will appear. We hope that you have found this video both informative and helpful. Remember, more help videos can be found on the Support Center.